Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are tackling an important topic, how to choose the right tech stack that can grow with your user base. Picking the right tech stack from the start is crucial. If you want your system to scale smoothly as your users grow from hundreds to millions, in this video we will discuss what makes a tech stack scalable, important considerations for different layers, and examples of tech stacks used by successful companies. So let's jump into it. First, what is a tech stack and why scalability matters? A tech stack is essentially the combination of tools, programming languages, frameworks, and infrastructure that you use to build your application. Making sure that the tech stack you choose can grow with your user base is essential if you want to avoid costly refactors and performance bottlenecks. Think of your tech stack as the foundation of a building. If the foundation is weak, you will face issues as you try to build higher. But if the foundation is solid, you can keep adding levels without any major structural problems. The same applies to your application's scalability. So let's talk about key considerations when you're choosing a scalable tech stack. The first thing, the scalability of programming languages. The programming language you choose plays a big role in how your system scales. Some popular are Node.js, known for its event-driven and non-blocking I/O, great for handling a large number of concurrent requests. There is Python, easy to work with and has many powerful frameworks like Django. Works well for microservices but may need performance optimization as you scale. There is Go, known for its simplicity, performance, and concurrency, great for systems that need to scale fast. If you're building a real-time application like a chat app, Node.js might be excellent choice due to its non-blocking nature. But if you need high performance for backend service, Go can be a bit of it. So the second thing, choosing the right backend framework. When choosing the backend framework, consider scalability features like Django, which is in Python. It's a great framework for building web applications quickly. It's well suited for small to medium sized project but can requiring optimization for high scalability. There is a Spring Boot in Java. It's highly scalable and well suited for enterprise level applications. There is Express for Node.js, lightweight and fast, a popular choice for building scalable APIs. For an instance, Uber started with Node.js because it's a great for handling asynchronous tasks, which was crucial for their ride-hailing app. As they scale, they also introduced other technologies, but Node.js provided a strong foundation. Second, database SQL versus NoSQL. SQL database like Postgres, MySQL, great for structured and maintaining relationships, but can require sharding for scaling horizontally. NoSQL database like MongoDB and Cassandra, better for understanding data and horizontal scaling, making them great choice for scaling with massive amounts of data. If you need complex queries or strong consistency, and SQL database like Postgres is good choice. However, if you expect rapid growth and need to store lots of unstructured data, a NoSQL solution like MongoDB might be better. For the infrastructure and cloud provider. Your infrastructure is another key part of your tech stack. Using cloud provider like AWS, Google Cloud, gives you flexibility with services like autoscaling, load balancing, and distributed storage. For example, Netflix uses AWS to handle its massive use base, leveraging the scalability features of the cloud to handle spikes in traffic without needing to manage the physical hardware themselves. Okay, let's talk about partial tips for selecting scalable tech stack, and let's start with we have three things. First, which is quite obvious, which will be to start small and think big. When selecting your stack, start with a tech stack that fits your current needs but is flexible enough to scale as you grow. Avoid premature optimizations, but keep an eye on the future. Second, consider community support and ecosystem. A strong community means you get help easily when you face challenges. Node.js, Python, and Java have a huge communities, which is big plus when building scalable systems. Third, avoid vendor lock-in. If possible, avoid being tied to a specific provider services. Using open standard and containerizations tools like Docker can make it easier to migrate if needed, helping you keep flexibility as you grow. Let's talk about real-world example of scalable tech stack. Let's start with Airbnb. Airbnb started with Ruby on Rails, but later moved parts of its stack to Java and Go for scalability. They also use React for the front end to provide a great user experience. Also, we have Slack. Slack uses PHP on the back end, but uses as distributed system approach with multiple services, communicating asynchronously to ensure they can handle millions of users without a lag. So, to wrap up, choosing the right tech stack is all about planning for growth. Consider the programming languages, framework databases, and infrastructure that best fit for you needs for your needs and can can scale with you as you grow. Remember, there is no one size fits all answer. It's about finding the right balance for your project and anticipating future needs. So if you found this video helpful, make sure to like it, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos in our scalable series. See you next video.